Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove blank row in Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheet and here you can see I have a product list with the blank row. To remove this blank row, first apply the filter on your data. So here I select the entire column. Then go to the data tab and click on the create a filter. Here the filter is applied. Then click on the filter icon and here clear all selection. After that click on the blanks, select the blanks and click on OK. Here only the blank row is filter. So select the first blank row. Then you can use here the shortcut key shift plus down arrow and select the row here. So I select up to 24 and right click on the mouse. Then click on the delete selected rows and that's it. Now I just click on the filter, click on the select all and here click on OK and that's it. So this is a way you can remove blank row in Google Sheet. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.